And if you hope people believe in you, even if it's strong enough, believe in you. Hard enough and long enough to be some other person who believes in making it a threesome, making it three. People you can say, believe in me. And if three whole people, why not four? And if four whole people, why not more? And more, and more. And when all those people believe in you, keep enough and strong enough, believe in you. Hard enough and long enough, if it stands to reason, you yourself will start to see what everybody sees in you.